wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best wet polishers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the hardin Buddy Rhodes Triad is an exceptionally powerful tool that produces a beautiful finish without any of the swirls many low-quality models cause. It comes with a large planetary base, but does seem a bit overpriced. It utilizes diamond abrasives and is also suitable for grinding, but its longevity is questionable. At number 6, beginners will appreciate the Asia Pacific construction kit. In addition to including pretty much everything you need to polish concrete and granite to your heart's content, it also comes with an extremely helpful step-by-step DVD. It can be used for grinding too, however this one's not suitable for contractors, and the connections tend to leak. Coming in at number 5 on our list, capable of reaching up to 5400 RPM, the Metabo PWE101K is a beast fit for any job site. It was designed and built to contractor quality standards and meets or exceeds all ANSI ICA safety requirements, so you can rest easy that it won't let you down. It features an impressive near 10 amp motor and is good for lefties and righties, but it may not come with a backer pad. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wet polishers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the hardin hwvpolset is a budget-friendly model ideal for the home DIYer who wants it for 1 or 2 jobs and doesn't plan on polishing a lot of surfaces. It comes with everything you need to get started working immediately. It offers speeds from 700 to 3000 RPM and a high-quality brass coupling. However, the waterline is a bit short. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Stadia WP101K is thinner than most other models at its base, which makes it easier to hold onto for extended periods of time with minimal user fatigue. It's designed to naturally aid you in putting weight onto the polishing surface for less strenuous work. It distributes water evenly and locks on for continuous use. It allows for quick pad changes. At number 2, with an effective splash guard, the Damo DWP1257 lets you stay dry while you work. It features an auxiliary handle that can be attached to either side and is perfect for use on granite or polished concrete flooring. Plus it comes with 7 pads of varying grits. It's equipped with a 10-foot long water hose and a well-placed speed control dial. However, note that this one can't be used for dry grinding. And taking the top spot on our list, the Vaquita PW5001 is powered by a 7.9 amp motor, yet it weighs just a touch over 5 pounds, giving it a high power-to-weight ratio. It maintains a constant speed even when under load to produce a consistent finish on a variety of surfaces. It features a soft start to prevent mishaps and a very durable housing. It accepts most standard water hoses. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wet polishers, or simply click beneath this video.